Hello guys, welcome to EBEN Media once again. In today's lesson, we are going to master the art of playing melody whilst you hold chord on the left hand. Okay, you play melody or you play the notes of songs with your right hand, and then you master left hand with chords. This one is for the beginners. If you know how to play the keyboard, yet you are struggling with accompanying left hand together with your notes, this lesson is for you. At the end of the lesson, you are going to learn how to play notes with the right hand and then chords on the left hand. Without wasting my time, please subscribe to the channel and be part of EBEN Media as you all learn together. Okay, so we are doing this in the key of F, our usual key. All right, and in the key of F, we know F is R1, okay, G is R2, using the numbering system, A is R3, B flat is R4, C is R5, D is R6, E is R7, and then back to a 1. Okay, so basically, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, and then Sol, La, Ti, Do, Ti, La, So, Fa. All of us know this major scale in the key of F. Okay, and we know our chords. This is our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1. So I'm playing root chords. Okay, without much ado, let's get into it. I play this song. Glory, glory, glory to the Lamb. Glory. Okay, so basically, you will see people struggling with accompanying left hand and then adding right hand to it. So this one, I'm going to make it very brief and then simple. So you have to master the chords, okay, the chords of the F major scale. Once you are done with mastering the chords of the F major scale, you're able to improvise and then play along. That is the first thing I want you to do. Master the chords very well. The left hand, you have to master the chords very well. Okay, this is our 1, our F major. This is our 2, which is our G minor, our A minor, B flat major, C major, a D minor, and then E diminished chord. Okay, so you have to master these chords with your left hand, okay, and then you play the notes with your right hand. So glory. Okay, so we are still on the 1 chord, and then to our 5. Okay, so glory to the Lamb, you do a Re, then to a 4. This is a Fa chord. So this is our root chord, and then we drop the root and then we play it here. This is our first inversion, and then this note D moves to here, giving us the same B flat major, which is our Fa or our 4 in key F. So we play it here with your left hand. Glory. Then 5, 2, and then to a 4, then 5 again. Okay, so you have to set a time signature for yourself. That was why I used the loop. Okay, you have to set time signature for yourself. If you can't really speed up, just play with a low tempo, a very slow one. Glory, glory, glory to the Lamb. Then repeat the same thing again. Glory, then to a so, then 4. Okay, so 4 and then 5, then to a 1. Okay, so let me add the loop. Okay, so let me teach the note. Do, so, so, re, so, so, fa, mi, re, do, re. Okay. Now let's add the left hand. 1, 2, go. Now to the chorus. Okay, so for that part, for you are glorious. The melody is do, do, ti, la, ti. Okay, do, do, ti, la, ti, do, so, mi, so. Okay. Then you play a fa on the left hand. Okay, don't forget that we are adding our left hand whilst playing the melody of the songs with the right hand. That is the pattern, okay? So from a 4, do, do, ti, la. So you play do, do, ti, la. The left hand will do fa. Okay. Then to 5 chord. 4, 5. Or fa. So the numbering system and then the solfege are the same. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So the same thing. Then to a 3. So you are glorious. Then to a 3. Then to a 6. Okay. Four, then 2 or 3, 6. You are the lamb, then 2 or 2, 5. Okay, so from top again. For you are doing 5 on the left hand. F, B flat, B, then 2. A show which is G, C, E. I projected the interface of the virtual keyboard, okay, on the screen. So we are going to see it. So we have G, C, E on the so chord, then 2 or 3, which is our mean. We are playing A, C, E. For you are glorious. Then 2 or 2. So you are the lamb, 2, 5, 2, or re. Then to a so 1 again. Okay, so 2, 5, 1. All right. So once we do, you are the lamb upon the throne. So we will do 1, 2, 3. Re, re, mi, fa, fa, so. That's the melody. Fa, mi, fa, so. Once we do mi, fa, so, then left hand will do do, re, mi. Okay, so that's it. So try as much as you can to master this. Anytime you are playing the notes of songs, you try to add chords. Okay, you try to add chords. You pick up any song that you are very familiar with the melody. Okay, then you play along with the chords. So master the chords on the left hand and try as much as you can to play them simultaneously, one after the other. Okay, play them one after the other with the left hand. Don't be limited to the right hand only as a beginner. Okay, so now without much ado, let's try and sing along, and then we play chords with both hands. Glory, glory, glory to the Lamb. Okay, so the chords that we were playing with the left hand only. Once someone is singing, you don't have to repeat yourself playing melody along. You have to play chords. Okay, so that will be for another tutorial. So if you want to be part of that lesson, if you want to get access to it, please subscribe to the channel and then hit on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new content. Now let's play the whole thing with the loops from top. Okay.